Hey guys, with this video I'm going to show you how to edit using my presets. So I have some photos down here. Note that they are all taken in RAW. They're all correctly exposed. My presets aren't going to make really dark photos or JPEG photos look amazing, so please take them correctly before you start editing. Here's a photo I took in Paris. Let's try to apply a preset to it. So I'm going to apply my pure preset, and right off the bat I notice it's kind of blue. I like my images a little bit warmer. So I'm just going to go over to the temperature and tint and exposure. Those are the only three things I'm going to be changing this entire video. That because my preset will do the rest. So I make it a little bit brighter, and then I warm it up a little bit just until I'm looking at her skin tone and making it look like a nice peachy skin tone. That's very natural. That looks pretty good to me. And then I would go to the next photo. Let's try, oh, and this is a photo taken indoors, kind of low lighting as well. So I'll just give you an example of what that looks like with my presets. So right off the bat, they look okay. They don't look amazing. So I would try to adjust the white balance on this one. This one I would go +7. A little bit pinker. I'm just trying to get the right tones in her skin and on the white or the beige curtains in the background. And then I would brighten it up a little bit still. That looks pretty good to me. Note that this one is a JPEG image and it still looks great, but it is preferred to take it in RAW. Okay, here's another image. I'm going to scroll over my presets, see which one I like the best. I'm thinking I like this one for this photo. I'm going to make it a little bit warmer for this photo. And I'm going to increase the tint a little bit. Like I said, I'm just looking at the natural colors and the greens and the whites and in her skin tone until I find a good balance of these two sliders. And then I can always make it darker or brighter just based on my taste. I like it a little bit bright. Here's another photo. Let's try this one. So I would bring the exposure down just a tiny bit. It was a little bit too overexposed. This one, the temperature is still good. I don't need to make it warmer or colder. And I would say the tint is good. I say that's a really nice photo already. This photo, let's try the same preset, polished. I'll scroll down the exposure just a little bit, and then I need, the greens are a little bit too minty and too blue for me, so I want to warm it up to give the photo some glow to it. And then right about there is perfect to me. I'll just do a couple more. For this one, I could apply any of my presets. I noticed right off the bat I don't want her hair blue, I don't want her skin blue, so obviously I need to go in and change the temperature until she's nice and glowy and maybe a little bit brighter. That's perfect to me. Same with this one. I can choose any of my presets and just change the exposure, temperature, and tint into what you want it to look like. The last photo, this is a flat lay, just to show you what it looks like with a flat lay. I'm thinking this preset will be best for this photo. It's a little too bright, so I'm going to dim it down. Maybe this photo I want a little bit more contrast and a little bit warmer so I can see the cards a little bit better. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tag bransonmaxwellpresets on all your photos if you post them online or on social media. Thanks.